What's up, everybody? This is really exciting. If you made it here and you actually went through the whole entire how to become a digital marketer, this should be the last video, which is kind of the simplest video and the most exciting. If you're here, I hope that you learned the skill, got results for free, pitched it, and now you're on to the easy part, which is why it's not red anymore. It's just black, which is find your niche and scale it. So here's one of my niches. I'm going to show you guys how we found the niche and how we're going to scale it. So let's say you went ahead and you did the sandwich niche and you got a sandwich website built out on Builderall right here. Let's say you got it built out to the teeth. It's done. It's beautiful. People are clicking on it and everything like that. We're going to pretend that this is the sandwich website. All you do is go over here and you click duplicate. Wait. Here it is. Here's the copy. So everything you did over here is now over here, which means that if you find another sandwich shop that wants the same exact thing, all you have to do is click duplicate, go to the bottom, change the logos, change the pictures, change everything, change the Facebook page, and bam, you're done. So that's the power of staying in a niche and doing it the right way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the course. We're going to have a bunch more free courses. If this helped you out a whole bunch, please subscribe. We're going to have so much more stuff. We're going to show you guys how to just explode on the internet. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this free badass tutorial. Tell your friends.